Hi Bhavtosh, welcome to another episode of podcast with Shilpa. Today, today we are going to talk about a very interesting topic, artificial intelligence, and we have Mr. Bhavtosh who has been working in AI for more than 6 years. Let's get started. Hello, how are you?
Yeah, hi Shilpa. How are you?
I'm good, and today I'm glad
Thank
we
you
talk
so much
about.
for inviting me. Yeah, so thank you so much for inviting me on this very hot, interesting, and trending topic.
Yeah. So let's get started with the basics. So first of all, we would like to know what is artificial intelligence.
See, like everybody is talking about artificial intelligence nowadays. So basically, artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are especially designed to think and done like humans.
Mhm.
Okay, so just taking an example, devices like Amazon's Alexa, Apple Siri, and Google Assistants use AI to understand voice commands and you must say performing tasks such as setting reminders, answering some questions, play music, and controlling smart home devices. So
Then
these are the live examples of artificial intelligence.
intelligence. Now, can we adapt AI in our daily lives?
Actually, we have already adopted AI in our daily life, like waking up to going to bed at night. So every day we, I guess, 80 or 90% of our dependency on the artificial intelligence machines. Like we are using smartwatches,
Right.
having multiple functionalities like health check or even heartbeats and pulse check and just checking the steps and even suppose working somewhere sitting on my chair after 30 minutes or 45 minutes there will be a reminder like okay just stand up and walk like 40 steps or something. So these kind of reminders we are getting through our mm, watch. So this is one example. Even when you're using mobile, even WhatsApp recently launched the AI option where we can chat with Meta AI
Meta,
and
right? Yeah.
and any kind of yeah. Meta AI is a very recent implementation by Meta itself. Even if you want to create a project, an image, suppose an image of ABC animal in near a bank or somewhere, the Meta AI will create automatic image according to your requirement. So it's a kind of recent update in AI. So we are dependent on it.
Yeah, dependent on AI from morning to evening. Yeah. Like you said in healthcare, so like AI in healthcare, it is a boon or a bane in healthcare sector.
Uh, uh, like using technology. If you're considering AI as a replacement of human being or doctors, definitely my answer is like no. It's not replacement. It's a kind of a support system which is helping. Suppose there's a machine like MRI machine or CT scan machine. Okay, so we are getting X number of X type of results. So it will help me as a doctor. It will help me to analyze the case.
Okay.
Okay, it is not the replacement of doctors or it will take diseases. No, it will help me to analyze the case because see, first need to understand like how AI works. AI is a kind of a technology which is being developed by the use of machine learning. Okay, and machine learning is completely depends on the calculations. Right. So there will be a calculation or mathematical calculation, some kind of analysis will be there. So it will help us to analyze the data. Suppose there's an X-ray. Okay, so AI will help me to analyze the current scenario, whatever it is being shown in the X report, and it will help me to take decisions. So basically, it is helping me to take the right decisions. Somehow, like sometimes, like as a human being, we can miss something.
Mhm.
And after 3 4 type of the processes, we came to know like, oh, I missed this point. But with the help of AI, the possibility of missing anything will be very less.
So, can AI replace the human creativity?
Mm, Replacement is not the right word,
Mhm.
I must say. But yes, you can say, like, uh, it will help us. It will, again, I'm repeating my words, like it will help us to take the right decisions.
Mhm.
Not replacing human being, because nobody can replace humans, because end of the day there are some kind of emotional touch required for taking decisions, or even implementing a new thing, and some kind of sense, because we are there, as I told, like we are in a very early stage of developing artificial intelligence
Mhm.
for our daily life machines.
Mhm.
So it will take time, but yes, I must say, like it, one day definitely it will replace human being. Because just take an example, like self-driven or auto-driven cars are there in the market, which is
Mhm.
again in the developing phase. So that is for reducing some accidents and some other mishappenings in the transportation. So yes, once we are done with all these phases and that part, so you can say like it will replace maybe in future.
None of us know that, right? What will happen?
Exactly.
Yeah. And is AI a key to solve climate change?
Uh, See, if you're talking about climate change, and climate change is a very, you must say, the need of the hour, because we are not much talking about climate change, but we can see like day by day things are changing. Okay, from January to December, there's a very uncertainty. Okay,
Yeah, right.
and by using AI, actually, why we see the answer comes with the question why we are developing AI.
Mhm.
So developing AI to make our life easy. Okay, some predictions, some future predictions, somehow maybe this is also in your list of questions, like the predictions by using AI. Okay,
Mhm.
future predictions. So
Yeah.
because I have worked this part of AI, like how it will help us for the future predictions, like in terms of weather, in terms of like giving the right data after 1 2 or 10 months of data. Okay, so that's why I must say, for the climate change, it will help us to centralize the things in a proper way.
And like you said, that we are using AI from morning to evening, like smartwatches. You have given us an example. Do you think are we becoming too dependent on artificial intelligence?
This dependency is good. I must say, because we are dependent. So we if we are using anything on a daily basis, we will be dependent on that. Okay. If you are using like your system regularly, okay, instead of your mobile, you will be more dependent on your system instead of your mobile. Okay, if you are using like uh, drinking hot water in the morning time, you will be dependent on that. Okay, so on the same way, if you are using AI in a right way, again, my statement will be very specific. In a right way, we are using technology. Why only AI? Even all kind of technology. Okay, we are using in a right way. We will be dependent, and it will give us a very good results in terms of our professional life, in terms of our personal. Because even a very short example, in my kitchen, my mom used to uh, yeah, He never used like the microwaves or some inductions. They generally do the traditional cooking. But nowadays, I'm dependent on microwaves and induction. Okay, that dependency. If the dependency is in a good way and saving our time, money, and giving us the accuracy and efficiency, the dependency is good.
And this AI generated deep fakes, are they dangerous? Like when we go to the Google and we put something like these generated deep fakes, they are dangerous.
Deepfake by using AI.
Uh-huh.
Even I'm just giving an example. When Facebook launched into 2000, I guess 6 or 7. Okay,
Mhm.
we all created our email accounts or our Facebook accounts, or even before Facebook there was Orkut. Okay, a Google product Orkut.
Yes,
When
yeah,
they
I remember that. It was a long
yes,
way
when
when
we
I was in my college. Right.
exactly. So in our college life, like, we have created accounts on Orkut. Okay, and it was a very good social media platform to connect each other and
Each
talk
other.
and share some ideas, images, and our daily life
Mhm.
content. So what we did, we have created some fake accounts on Orkut. Okay,
Mhm.
and by name of ABC,
Nah.
college names, some celebrity names, we have created fake accounts. Okay, and we have started posting some fake news, some rubbish content, voice generation change, and some voice recordings, some fake recordings will be there. So it is just a technology changed in the spam activities. But yes, this is the responsibility of the AI developers. Okay, so it's to just cut short this, and then there will be some regulations are there already in not only in India, in the world wide web. There are some regulations which is being implemented already, but the problem is to identify the correct one. Okay, so if we are developing artificial intelligence to for you can say like for developing a video or audio or creating image, there should be a limitation so that we can at least we cannot stop, but yes, we can reduce these fake activities.
Activities. Yeah, right. And can AI, like artificial intelligence, it can impact our mental health?
I don't know, like AI will impact or not, but yes, the addiction of technology or addiction of mobile phones, social media platforms will definitely destroy our future in terms of mental health. Not only mental health, like we are getting lots of problems for last 8 to 10 years. Because we are living in a virtual world mostly. Okay, and we are very much dependent and interested to know what is going on in others life. Okay,
Mhm.
so that's I guess giving us a very bad impact in our mental health, and or even in the personal life, not only AI.
Right.